Welcome back. Goa Timeline is organizing an Educare Show 2014. It's a two-day event where 27 institutions across India will participate to offer different options for higher education. The Educare Show will be organized on Saturday and Sunday at Kala Academy. The expo is aimed at informing general public about the avenues. Entry to expo is absolutely free of charge.
Education Career Expo going to happen in Kala Academy, Panaji on 24th and 25th of this month, means coming Saturday and Sunday, has requested all the education institutions from the neighboring states of Maharashtra and Karnataka to come together here in this expo and present their courses and what is their admission procedures and all those things to the students, so that our Goan students and parents can select the courses of their choice and they can select an institution of their choice, so they can save the time, money and the mental peace.
Churchill Brothers Chief Executive Officer Valanka Alemao has declined to react to the AIFF decision of ending the team's run in the top-flight Indian football. Valanka has claimed that the All India Football Federation has not yet communicated the decision to the Varka-based club. The AIFF licensing committee on Wednesday evening had ruled that Churchill Brothers had failed to meet the licensing criteria. The AIFF ruling means that the two-time I-League champions will not be able to participate in the 2014-15 football season.
One of the more successful clubs in Indian top-flight football, Churchill Brothers find themselves in a tight spot as the All India Football Federation's Club Licensing Committee has found the Varka-based club short of the mandatory licensing criteria. The AIFF ruling was announced on Wednesday evening on the Federation's official website, but Churchill Brothers CEO Valanka Alemao refused to comment on this decision, saying that the club has not been officially informed and that she has only known the decision through the media. Two-time I-League champions, Federation Cup champions, IFA Shield winners, Durand Cup winners, Churchill Brothers may have a lot of work to do if they have to challenge the AIFF and maintain their position in the top national league. AIFF's club licensing criteria is based on AFC guidelines in order to bring professionalism in Indian club football. The licensing criteria is based on 5 factors, namely sporting, infrastructure, finance, legal and administration. According to those in the know, Churchill lack in sporting and financial criteria. It is sad that Churchill Brothers have not complied with the licensing criteria, while most of the other top-flight clubs have met the necessary standard. However, what stopped Churchill from abiding by the licensing criteria is also something that the club must clarify. It now remains to be seen what steps Churchill Brothers take to protect their identity as one of India's most decorated clubs. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of the news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.